Xpression Camera is an innovative app that allows users to reimagine their appearance while using video calling apps. This innovative app allows you to transform into any person or thing with a face using just one photo in real time, while chatting on apps and works on any platform. You need to download this first app, so this app also can work for Live Deep Video Call, but it is paid, but this expression is totally for free. So I'll be showing you how to use it in this video. Just download this app and you need to click on Open. First, click on Open. We are going to tell you to accept some permission. So just accept all the permission, and you are going to see something like this. So they have some pictures of people that you can use, so they have some default pictures that you can use. But you can make use of photos on your phone or just use celebrities, so you can search for celebrity. Right here, you can search for Donald Trump. You are going to see some of his photos that you can use. So yes, you are going to see some of these photos that you can use for the deep video call. So I'm going to explain it to you how you can use it in this video. So let me cancel this. So let me just make use of a photo on my phone. So I'm going to be making use of this photo. Once you import the photo, you need to wait for a few seconds for the app to load the photo. So guys, can you see? It is not working. So all you need to do is find another phone. Because you need two phones for this, so just find another phone. I can be using it to make the video call now, so I'll be dropping it tutorial soon on how to change your voice also. But this is how to change your to make a fake video call. So guys, can you see? You can smell and you can do different things, and it's going to be showing with the face that you imports, because can you see? It's very easy to do. So if you have any question about this, just drop it in the comments down below. I'm going to explain it to you, and if you want me to make another video about this, just tell me in the comments down below so you can use different photos for this. Yes, can you see? You can blink your eyes. You can also, guys, it's very easy to use and it is completely for free. So you can use different pictures due to copyright. I won't be using a lot of pictures. So can you see this copyright? I want to be using a lot of pictures at all. So make sure the place, you are using this video call is bright. So if the place is bright enough, it's going to make a lot of sense. So make sure the place you are using is very bright and your face is showing. So guys, can you see? It is very easy to use. So you can make use of any photos. So you guys, can you see? Can she get it too? And yeah, you'll be able to do different things. So I'm going to be dropping more videos on this later on. Just find another phone and be using it to record the screen of this phone that you're making the video call on. So you can get the app on your Play Store too, and Apple App Store. So if you have any question about this, drop them in the comments down below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys.